back in the spring, there was a fire here. We have a lot of wildfires on Gower every single year that will threaten the farmland, the houses, the roads, the livestock and all of the wildlife that's here. I'm passionate about grazing common land. It's something that's been practiced for generations, and it's becoming increasingly hard to use the grazing rights through things like TB, the roads getting busy, liabilities, the cost of livestock, and I really wanted to find a way of making it work because I'm just really passionate about the good work that they can do on the commons to reduce wildfire risk. To have them in the landscape is really important as well. They're part of our iconic landscape of Gower. Community supported agriculture is where you invest some money and then you get a share of the produce at the end of a certain period. So that allowed us to have the capital up front to buy some native breed steers, which we would keep on the common during the summer. They'd go off to graze wildflower meadows in the winter, and then each shareholder gets a share of beef at the end of each summer. I love to see them out in the landscape behaving as naturally as possible, carrying on that ancestral right to graze commons, keeping this landscape looking as beautiful as it does, whilst also contributing to biodiversity, conservation of biodiversity, and to reduce the risk of wildfires as well.